And talking about singles, obviously a really big one here in Latin America, right? Action. Tell us a little bit the story behind that song.
All right, so that song came about. I was in London, and there's a famous flea market in London called Brick Lane, and it's the kind of market where you see people's old estates are sold. You know, their old belongings are kind of sold up, and there was a collection of postcards, and somebody had obviously been travelling around the world, going to good places and galleries and things like that, and they were all blank apart from this one postcard. And I bought the postcard because I loved the message on it. It said, "Come home." And I took it around to Nick's and I said, "I love this postcard, it's such an amazing message. We should make a song out of it," because the message is confusing. It seems simple at first. It's actually quite complicated. It's like, it seems very positive. Come home. Practically all nearly forgiven. You know, it's not quite everything. Isn't quite forgiven. And I know if I got that message, sure. And so the song was about, like, you know, to me that sums up so many situations in life where you don't quite know what the situation is. And so like, well, how do you deal with those situations? With as positive ways you can. Right thoughts, right words, and right action.